Recording.
So I had some trouble with my Indian ride command system. That's this system right here. It is a touch screen. And see if I can bring it up. And a ride command, as you see the Indian logo come up, controls all of your mileage, your navigation, your tire pressure, and so on. And it's a touch screen so that you can scroll through like so. And you can do it with gloves on as well. Plus there's a little trigger here for going through the screens while you're riding. And what happened to mine is I would tap something here and it would think it's getting it over here. Or I tap something here and it would think it's getting over here. So fortunately my extended warranty covered all this, and I was able to ride up to my Indian dealer in Temple, Texas. They're called County Motorworks. And you see there's a lot of information that you can get through as you're strolling. No, you're not strolling. Maybe you are strolling through the screens. Some music. There's the map screen. Here's how you find your destination. Of course, I'm here in the United States. And so it's got to now figure out where I'm at, because the new screen is carrying a lot of information that it didn't have before. And you can pick separate screens, combine them how you want to. You can combine this informational screen with the map screen or another screen, and so on. So it's quite convenient. You got true trip odometers, trip meters. Trip 1, trip 2. I usually use that for my gas mileage and use that for my day of trip. And obviously back to music. There's a gear indicator down there, but also up there on the upper dashboard. But they did a good job. You can't replace a part of it. You have to replace the whole screen. I'm told it was about a $2,500 part, so fortunately I was covered. Knew that when I was given the opportunity to buy the extended warranty, that more than likely it's not going to be the bike, but the electronics. So thought I'd share. Hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Did hit 18,000 miles today. I'm proud of that. And love this Indian. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.